Hey folks, late August, early September, fishing with Johnny and other folks are catching bonito, Spanish mackerel and stuff, but I gotta tell you, I am not one of them. I think about this trip a lot, and I think about what I could have done better. Thinking back to like a Little League analogy from like 40 years ago, it would be one of those games where I went like 1 for 4, 1 for 5, and maybe got a single.
Woohoo! Oh, my sunglasses. Freaking rocks, man. This is gonna be a big one. Oh! Almost out. Nasty. Make sure I didn't lose anything.
One of the weirdest things I've noticed about GoPros is that
Oh my god.
waves in particular, when you film them, look about twice as small as they are in real life. I gotta say, these swells were probably about 20, 30 feet apart, and at times were so tall that I could not see the horizon. I'm gonna chalk that up to maybe about 5 foot swells. Um, Pretty far off from the 2 foot swell report that was predicted in the morning.
Look at that.
So one of the frustrating things about fishing, like if you have a day job, which most of us do, I get 2 mornings a weekend that I get to go out. And when some of these seasons are short, like for hardtails, you've maybe got a month when you can catch stuff that you don't get a chance most of the time. And it's kind of luck of the draw a little bit. Like if the 2 mornings you get to go out, or 2 evenings, whatever, if they're not biting, you're not going to be catching them. And it's frustrating because you're looking at waiting another year for an opportunity at them again. Um, you know, my whole point in posting this video is I'm not a bad angler. I'd say I'm better than average. I probably catch about 700 fish a year across fresh and salt water. Um, only been fishing about 5 years, but you see all the videos of the folks who get to put a lot of time, are really good at what they do, and they're catching all the stuff that you want to catch. And man, it can be discouraging, but you know what? I say just don't give up. Just wind up putting in more time. The
Nice.
more you're on the water, the better chance you have to catch what you're looking for, and the better you'll get in the process too. So hey, at the end of the day, I didn't catch any. I didn't even catch stripers. I didn't even catch blues. I didn't see any. Certainly didn't catch any hardtails, and I didn't catch any exotics. But I caught 10 ground bottom fish, and I had a great day, and I got to experience some crazy ass waves that I normally wouldn't go out in. And I'm sure I'll remember that for a long time. Totally worth it.
Looks short. Yeah. Like 13. This feels like a scup. good. Yeah, you're looking at me, I'm looking at you. And I'm looking back at you. I don't know if I like having seals around me. I'm gonna scare off the fish and they're gonna attract big fish that I don't want to catch.